Claude Design just dropped, and I'm honestly scared because I paid more than $5,000 for a landing page. And in today's videos, we're gonna recreate it together with Claude Design and see if Claude finally replaced designers. I'm excited. Here we have the interface of Claude Design. It's on the web, claude.ai/design. And you can see right away that you can have prototype, either wireframe or high fidelity. So here, this is the page that I have on Figma that I paid $5,000 for. It's not bad, like some visuals were bad. This has did pretty well actually. Like first month we did a lot. I'm not gonna say the number because I'm gonna get problem with YouTube, but it was a really good run for a year. That's the designer that I paid. I was paying him $2,000 every month, and he worked on that page for around 3 months. We have the prompt already, so we're gonna design a new landing page for StockChain. What I really want to try as well is to attach a code base, and that's gonna be our second test, which, for example, if you watch the previous video where I compare Opus 4.6 and 4.7, which is really actually insightful to know which model to use and when, we can use it maybe for our linking website and then build a landing page out of just the code base. But now we're gonna do it out of a landing page. So I'm gonna give it the full information. Let's just hope that we don't need to validate like on Claude Code every time. Yes, you can do it. I mean, I wonder, like, Claude Code is supposed to be like the smartest thing, but like, did I ever say no to you? I don't even know what you're running. We can see though that the aesthetic dark terminal trading desk near black base, okay, it took that. Cabal Finder, KOL leaderboard, KOL token, that's pretty cool. So it went and, wow, it knows my competitors, Nansen, Arkham, Dune. That's insane. Okay, hero proof features CTA. I'm excited, guys. I can't wait to see the result because make it feel like a 50K website. This is what we do. And I'm gonna launch another one. I could do wireframe and connect GitHub. I want you to create a high converting landing page to help people explain and understand why they should use this product. Can you access the GitHub, and what do you need from me before you start? While we're waiting for this one, I can access GitHub. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let's check the result here. All right, so follow the money, front run the crowd. I quite like this title already. So the action color is wrong, right? It didn't take the right one. However, if I change it, I can choose the other one that I want. There's the feed here, which is pretty nice. It gives a bit of a vibe of, I don't know, like Bloomberg or some kind of TV things. However, I would argue that for our branding, we don't want something that is too noisy because our goal is to actually extract the most important thing from the noise. The KOL feed is not bad. I like that we have a preview of what the feed is doing compared to the page that is static. You see here, you have something, but it's static. It's like, okay, we see, and then it's just screenshot of it. And I don't think that's the best way to represent what we do. The headline, I can change it easily here, right? We have follow the money, front run the crowd. It's actually a beautiful headline. For first design, I'm pretty impressed. Here we have some partner built on. Here's a bit of an issue here. By the time a coin is trending on your timeline, the move is over. Smart money was already positioned 6 hours ago. StockChain shows you the trade the moment it settles on chain. The copy is really good. Rank traders are actually win where the smart money flow is going. Let's say pricing invented a little bit. However, we have something that it's solid. If I gave it the code base, it probably would have put the pictures. That's when like you have a difference. So now I'm gonna click edit, for example, And that's where it's amazing, because I can remove this, no M dash. Like those things used to take ages to do. Like now I have a page builder directly for me. Like if I say like, okay, this thing, I don't like it, I can comment it, I can, can I remove it? I don't seem to be able to remove something. No, they don't let me remove it. If I click delete, no, the right click doesn't. So if I do this maybe, and I comment this one, remove this, send to Claude, draw, I'm gonna put here, put a French flag. We're gonna queue it. Let's see what it does here. We're gonna try to put a drawer, let's say here, let's say show a big minus 50%. I'm gonna queue it as well. Send. I need to reload. Okay, reload the new version. Oh, nice. We have it removed. It's beautiful. Edit the background. We can see the core. Present. Let's do it in a new tab. That's pretty cool. Quite fast to remove. And I have to say, it looks way better when we have it big like that. We have to test, of course, on mobile. Portrait. Not looking too bad. This is good. This is genuinely good. Reload the new version. All right, this one send. Okay, the drawing works. Claude asked some question. I didn't answer any of them. Timed out. It go with default. That's what I want to see. Ask the question, answer the question for me. You don't need my answer. You know better, Claude Code. Or at least you try to know better. Classic SaaS hero, 3-step, feature, proof, pricing, FAQ, live demo first. Perfect. Comparison, link to various Antly. He managed to find who is our competitor. $1 billion company. That's who we are going against. Single screen, one CTA, entire landing page. Quite impressive. This still looks a little bit too AI for me, but I assume that if I put some skills working on it, it's going to be way better. So just like plugging in one or two skills, a bit more information, and it's going to do something beautiful. However, like we can say it already, it's just way better than what we used to have. Like that's a step ahead again. How fast is real time? And we have sub 400 milliseconds. P95. Well, I don't really know what P95 means, but hey, it vented a little bit some things in it. We have a good first draft. There we go. We start to have our style CSS. It's funny because while I'm doing this, I'm waiting 5 minutes for this to finish and I feel it's too slow when literally I had to wait weeks on the designer before, and then after I would do the comments, and then I wait a few days again, and it was crazy, the delay. Like this page took us, I'm a bit too ashamed to say, but around 2 months to get the first version, and then 1 more month to get the second version. And then now you can build things so fast. It's just the best time. Like if you have ideas and you want to either improve your business or launch a new business, you should join the Vibe Combinator, because I want only people that actually do things with AI. I don't want any procrastinator. I just want to be like, oh, maybe no, we want to actually put AI to our service and do our thing. So this wireframing is actually taking more time than the other one. I think we're going to do actually a bootcamp next week in the Vibe Combinator, where I'm going to show you for 7 days how to properly use Claude Design and how it can improve your business. I mean, if I was 16 or 18 again, I would try to sell design and website like that to companies like every day. Now, it's not the cost of opportunity and everything. I don't want to do it because that requires actual work, but it's a good opportunity. All right, we have it. Wireframing. wireframing. So this is not the final design. Wireframing, it's just basically we do little drawings. So we have done 5 sketchy wireframe live landing page. So I have 5 different versions. Tab switchable at the top, classic SaaS, live demo, link tree versus phone first showcase. All right, let's see it in a new tab. Paste links, AI write the quiz and share. End link at you, add your offers, everything link tree won't do. Tap to advance, routing, rule, drop off insight, email capture, custom domain, Apple clean UI. A wall of link makes the visitor work, we do the work. That's what I think. Like, this is not the way I should go on clicking for the links. I really love to have like, what do I want to do? Boom, boom, boom. And then based on what I answer to the question, free until you outgrow it. That's beautiful. Basic insight, end link branding, custom domain, unlimited resources, drop off analytics, no branding. Can I import my link tree? That would be insane. I like it. So we have the second version, which is live demo first. And that one broke a little bit. So promise plus verb headline, 1 accent. You buy your link, but it actually picks for that. I don't like that headline. There's a little comment, live demo. This could work as well. Airflow generator. Your buy link is a memo graveyard. It's kind of true. Wall of links. Phone first. Claim handle. I quite like this CTA. Buy a link, but it's actually picks for that. Same. Trade memes. Put AI. I quite like this one. And one page minimalist. If people already know, and this is so beautiful, because it creates an invisible step. There is like 0 friction. But before clicking, I already make a step to create my link. That's honestly amazing. Like, you see what we did first was wrong. This was wrong. You should always do the wireframing first, because like this, you have proper ideas of what you could use for, and then you can choose. So on this one, I guess I'm gonna say, make the classic SaaS version. I quite like as well that they put the claim your handle as a CTA. I'm gonna put Apple style, color, light, clean white. I'm gonna go this one, typography. I don't even know. Let's do that. Use placeholder, real pricing. Yeah, this is fine. I like dark mode toggle. I like the pick your handle thing. We could imagine in the future to have different use cases and to show like some analytics or things like that. No, they cooked. Like, I could have tried the different colors here. I quite like this orange. I don't know, you let me know. I'm not a pro at design. I just think like black was not good. This one is good. Oh, the two, yeah, the first one. Well, I guess we can agree that Claude Design did replace my designer. Let me know in the comments which design you prefer. Which one do you think I should have choose? And we're going to continue to build on this. So if you want to know the next version, just click subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.